Primetime's very recently been brought in underneath the Cherokee umbrella, now part of their network. Cherokee's the #1 selling camper in the world. Look at these square windows. Really cool wheels. Hankook tires, nice quality. Electric power jacks, electric awning. I like these new windows. Solid step in the big grab handle. Queen bed up front. Let's look at this bathroom. Shower, vanity, foot flush toilet. Looks like that is tankless on demand. Hot water. Now look at this. Okay. Theater seating. Huge 3-door fridge freezer on the bottom. I think it's about a 40-inch TV. All these square windows now have integrated shades and additional solar insulation to block out the sun. You could do work here, eat here, watch TV here. It's a nice little pantry. This is a great unit.